maybe inventing a mask that when it detects a person coughing and stuff, it sprays something into the mouth afterwards or during it to help calm down the coughing and help the throat. Or help people get their breathing back to normal, or if it detects breathing not being normal. This could also be made more useful if we can have the mask have other functions, such as block allergens and pollution for people with more respiratory illnesses. And it can be better than a rescue inhaler because it's already there, so you don't have to pull it out. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers in a year and 4,000 watch hours, which is really hard, really hope I think I can do it. Again, thank you much. Goodbye.